Rate me 1 through 10. You know what I'm saying?
I'll give you a good 9.5 because you got the energy, you know?
Yeah, energy. You know, hey, you know what I'm saying? Bro, what are you doing on this app? What are you doing?
Me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, girl. Well, I'm gonna find a girl and then get her address and then go bang bang.
Oh!
Yo, if you're not subscribing to Clouty Naz, you cray. Clouty Naz.
That chopper dump.
If you're not subscribing to Clouty Naz, you cray.
Yeah, simple as that, dog. Yeah.
Me and my brother.
Yo, what's up with y'all boys? It's your boy Clouty Naz, and I'm coming here with another new, somebody text me, lit banger video. Now you guys, in today's video I have a OG no limit Nas type of I didn't even know it was over. I'm about to be going on the new monkey act, because you guys, bro, these guys texted me on my email talking about we will be deleting your account in 24 hours if you do not move over to our new app. Like, bro, what are you talking about, man? Like, bro, let me find it right now. I know I have it. I don't know, but you guys, pretty much in today's video I'm about to be going on the monkey app asking random girls to rate me 1 through 10, y'all. Now you guys, not like mine, takes away 1 second, y'all, and let's get this video started, y'all. Let's get it though, y'all, boys. Let's get it though, y'all. Gang. Alright, it's on now, you guys. Alright, you guys, so pretty much right now the app right here is called Yee. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully you guys can see me. Focus up, camera, because I ain't trying to, you know what I'm saying, the camera better be focused up. How do you work this app? You know what I'm saying? Dang, that old picture of me, y'all. Alright, let's get it though, y'all. Wait, got it. Bro, what the heck? Bro, I look type ugly on this lighting, bro. I can't even lie. I might have to move the camera. You know what I'm saying, y'all? Oh, here it is. Alright. Alright, let's get it though, y'all. We gonna get this thing lit. Alright. Yo, what's up?
What's good?
Add time.
I got you.
Alright, and how old is you?
17.
I am too. Alright, I got one question for you. It's not even a question, but rate me 1 through 10. You know what I'm saying?
I'll give you a good 9.5 because you got the energy, you know?
Yeah, energy, you know, hey, you know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all, she said 9.5. Hey, bro, thanks for that, dude. Thanks.
You welcome.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you guys, first W, you know what I'm saying? First W, you know what I'm saying? Hey, bro, this is my first time on the app. You know what I'm saying? But I'm going crazy already. I'm going stupid. Bro, this is my first ever time on this app, y'all. And I got a W. But, why is it 2 boys? Like, bro, get out of here, bro. Next, bro. Layla, let me see who. Hello?
Stop. What's good?
Man, ask some time.
Stop bugging me, bro.
Bro, how old is you?
How old are you?
How old are you? Come on, bro.
16.
You, like, dead serious?
Yeah.
Alright. I got one question for you.
Yeah.
It's not even a question, but rate me 1 through 10 though, you know what I'm saying? Rate me 1 through 10, you know what I'm saying?
Okay. Come on, get my shoes.
You know what I'm saying? Rate me 1 through 10.
10.
10?
Yeah.
Why? Why?
Cause you're like low-key fine and you have a chill life.
Think I'm cute, she wanna asset.
You know what I'm saying? Hey bro, thanks for that. You know what I'm saying? Hey bro, thanks for that. Thanks. You know what I'm saying, bro? It's not me, bro. This is my second time on the app, yo. I have a chill vibe. You know, I be going crazy, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm out of this. Yo, what's up?
Yes.
Add time.
No, ¿cómo te llamas?
¿Cómo te llamo? Hola, how are you?
Hola.
Hey. Fuck, y'all. I could have paused, but I could have had a threesome with both of them, y'all. Come on, man. Get me mad now, man. But y'all, so far, I'm off to a good start. I think this might be like a troll, but I'm gonna accept it. Oh, we got a little. Why is little kids on this app, bro? Why am I camera like that? Why are you asleep on the app? Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Yeah, wake up! Why are you asleep on the app, bro? Like, come on now, coach. She's alright.
Boom, boom, ski, boom, boom. Hey, yo.
Hey! Oh my god. Hey!
Hello. Sorry.
Can I see your face? Stop texting. Bro, what the heck was that, bro? Bro, get out of here with all that, bro. Bro. Hi, Jada. Jada, what are you doing? Bro, what type of app is this, bro? Bro, this is not Monkey, bro. This is not Monkey. This is not Monkey, you guys, bro. This is not Monkey, bro. 2 girls? Ayo, not my chance.
Excuse me?
Hey, what's up? Ask some time.
Oh, you can't see you.
What you mean you can't see me? Hey, add time. You're like, how you add time on this?
I can't see them.
Stop lying, bro. Stop.
What?
I could have had it again, y'all.
Look at his neck. Oh, they're gonna see. Ah! Hey. Okay.
At this point, I don't even know like what to say anymore. Like, at this point, y'all. What's so funny?
Oh, nothing. Oops.
Yo,
Where you from?
ask some time real quick. And how old is you? The girl though. Chris, how old? How you get?
15.
How old?
15.
Rate me 1 through 10. You know what I'm saying?
Like 6, 7.
You did it. You are me not knowing how to rate.
How do you back out? I'm just kidding.
Bro, a 6 or a 7, bro. You are not ugly, but I mean, you are not cute. Like, get out of here, bro. Who just got in trouble? Yo, stop picking up the baby. What? Yo. What are you talking about, man? Like, why you got little kids on this app trying to cuss me out? Like, I ain't do nothing to you, bro. Man, how old are y'all?
13.
How old?
13.
13? 6?
Shut up.
How old, man? Like
14.
14?
Guess what? There's a bird. It's from Goddamn. You don't let me do my trick.
That joke was about to be so trash. I had to back out. That joke was about to be so trash, bro. Why do I look like so ugly on this camera? I did not mean to accept. Bro, what are you doing on this app? What are you doing?
Me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, girl. Well, I'm gonna find a girl and then get her address and then go bang bang.
Oh! That was a W, y'all. That was a straight W, y'all. That was a honestly W. He said he gonna get her address. He gonna bang bang. Taylor.
Hi.
You are not 32.
Huh? Yes, we are 32.
You are not 32.
You know that little girl that acts like she was a girl? That's who we are.
At this point, y'all, I don't even know what to do anymore, y'all. What y'all cooking up in there? You know what I'm saying? What y'all cooking?
I'm at work. I'm not at kitchen.
What is that? Chick-fil-A?
No.
At time. who that?
Hi. Hey, who that?
Hey, add some time to like, stop playing with me. How old is y'all?
17.
16. Facts. Alright, remember 1 through 10?
9.
9?
Yeah, 9. 8.5.
8.5? Alright, 8. W's. See y'all boys later. Yo, my camera about to die, y'all. But y'all, that's pretty much part 1. If you guys want part 2, bro, it's about to die right now. Did I not say the screen recording? Yo, come on. Yo, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Don't, bro. Oh my God, how am I gonna do this video? Bro, did not say my camera to die. Oh my God, man. Like, it never saves, bro. And my camera had died, you know what I'm saying? But you guys, if you guys want to see part 2 of me on this app, you feel me? Like the video, it takes maybe 1 second, y'all. And that's pretty much like my video, you feel me? And I'm out, y'all, boys. Hey, more bangers on the way. Gang!